Blood circulatory massager. Just 15 minutes a day to stay healthy. The blood circulatory massager with magic helical healthcare regimen is designed to massage the feet's reflex area to obtain the effect of enhancing health. Its unique design and modern technology such as meridian science of TCM, human engineering, biomagnetics, bioholography, Qigong regimen, acupuncture and moxibustion as well as health preservation. This machine is provided with feet massage function. The mini massage plate can make you feel comfortable both in sitting or standing position. The single speed high frequency vibration is easy for use. Advantages: the blood circulative massager applies clockwise high frequency helical rotation as principle, combining feet meridian reflex therapy of traditional Chinese medicine and health regime to circulate energy and blood from lower to upper. This machine also gives the body muscles a high-speed workout by using vibrations to stimulate them to contract and relax frequently. It is claimed that 15 minutes on the blood circulatory massager is equivalent to 2 hours of rigorous exercise. Function: regulates the meridians, smoothens ki, energy and blood, supplies oxygen, dispels toxin and prolongs life, cleans blood vessel to facilitate blood circulation and enhance metabolism, strengthens visceral function and improves digestive and absorption function, activates cell and improves immunity, enhances the balance of internal secretion by stimulating and massaging the points, regulates blood microcirculation which helps in facial beautification and health caring, assists in reducing weight, aids in respiratory disorders, arthritis, low backache, sciatica, stiff joints and muscles, relieves frozen shoulder, fatigue, numbness and many more. Recommendations: use it under the direction of doctor. It is not suitable to use for any hemorrhages, women in menstrual period or pregnancy, tuberculosis at active stage, unstable acute myocardial infarction, rheumatic heart disease, myocardial hypertrophy, congenital heart diseases and arthritis, severe heart failure, hepatic failure, pulmonary functional failure, renal failure and other severe diseases. Just 15 minutes a day to stay healthy.